Hello and welcome to this new chapter about the threat actors' motivations. We will dive into the complex reasons behind cyber attacks, and this is really important because these motivations are crucial in predicting, preventing, and also defending against the threats that are circling in this digital landscape. So we will explore the driving forces behind the cyber attacks, from the pursuit of financial gain to political agendas, from personal vendettas to ideological battles. Each of these motivations presents a unique set of challenges and considerations. There are numerous motivations that threat actors have. So whether it's data exfiltration, espionage, service disruption, or any other form of digital manifestations, understanding the why behind the what is a step towards building more robust and resilient defenses. So let us begin with our first chapter, which is about data exfiltration. And as we walk through this chapter about motivations, we'll understand espionage, service disruptions, blackmails, and financial gains, and other interesting topics in this chapter. I once again thank you very much for your patience, attention, and stay motivated.